how do I see which videos are suggesting my long form videos on my channel, Dawnnie Mercado? I'm trying to figure out if my videos are being shown to the correct audience. Okay, this is how you do it, people. You go to YouTube Studio, Analytics, Content, go to a specific long form video, Reach tab, scroll down to Content suggesting this video. All right, I just did that, so now I'm going to do it more slowly. I'm going to go to Manage Videos. And I'm in a specific video. I can skip the going to the studio part because this is going to take you there also. This is the specific video I'm going to check. This one here. And then I'm going to click on Analytics. Okay, so once you're in Analytics of any specific video, you go to the Reach tab. And then it said to scroll down. So these are the ways that people are finding my video, but we have to keep going to Content suggesting this video. Okay, and then we're going to go to see more. All right, so how do we know if this should be my audience? Let's just hover. Prepping for a new puppy. This has nothing to do at all with my video. This does. This is cool. Oh, rescuing kitties. Okay. This has nothing at all to do with my video. And maybe because it's rescuing. All right, so I have a feeling that I'm still 50% not being shown to the correct audience, and I'm not sure what to do about that. It's because I also do reaction shorts, but my reaction shorts are mostly to animal things. So this has nothing to do with me. This has nothing to do with me. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to show it to ChatGPT and ask for an update. Now, I'm not sure if ChatGPT can see this video. I know vidIQ can, but I'm going to try here and see what we get. This is the video I'm linking here. What can I be doing better on this channel in terms of SEO in order to only show up in the correct audience? At least 2 of these videos have nothing to do with me. Traffic source, and then I put the names, okay? Let's see what we get. All right. This data actually tells something encouraging. First, let's look at what it doesn't mean. You only have 6 suggested videos total from 231 impressions. That's too small a sample size to conclude YouTube is targeting the wrong audience. Okay. With only 6 views, 1 random placement can completely skew the report. There's a vet view, celebrity signature video, golden doodle view. That's not a pattern, but what I do see is the videos that matter are new puppy prep, meanest cat, and Bondi vet. Actually more relevant than you might think. Your audience loves rescues, animals, emotional pet stories, and transformations. The problem isn't that you're being suggested beside the wrong videos. The problem is the 2.6% click-through rate. Yes, I know that. YouTube is giving impressions, people aren't clicking. Well, I still don't know how to fix that, but I'm trying. For this channel, that's almost always title, thumbnail, packaging. Okay, here we go again. Title, thumbnail, packaging. All right, let's work on that. Okay, friends, so keep working on your titles, thumbnails, and packaging, but at least now you know how to find out if you're being shown to the correct audience.
On this channel, I solve problems for new YouTubers and actors. I'm Dawnnie Mercado. I'm a SAG-AFTRA actor, been in the business for over 30 years, but you know what? I don't think actors are using their superpowers properly on YouTube. I'm here to change that. Let's go.